Hey there, parents! Feeding time should be a calm and happy experience for both you and your little one. So today, I'm here to give you the lowdown on when to replace your baby's bottles. Let's get started. Look out for visible damage like cracks, chips, or a cloudy, scratched-up look. These signs are not just cosmetic issues. They can indicate that the bottle's integrity has been compromised. Cracks and chips can create sharp edges that might hurt your baby, while a cloudy or scratched surface can be a breeding ground for bacteria. It's essential to inspect your baby's bottles regularly to ensure they are in good condition. These imperfections can harbor bacteria and make it difficult to clean the bottles thoroughly. Bacteria can hide in the tiniest of scratches and chips, making it nearly impossible to sanitize the bottle completely. This can pose a significant health risk to your baby, as harmful bacteria can lead to infections and other illnesses. Always ensure that the bottles are spotless and free from any damage. Even if your bottles look fine, they might need replacing more often than you think. Over time, repeated use and cleaning can cause wear and tear that isn't immediately visible. Microscopic cracks and scratches can develop, which can compromise the bottle's safety and hygiene. It's a good practice to compare your old bottles with new ones periodically to check for any subtle signs of wear. Constant washing, sterilizing, and occasional tumbles can cause microscopic wear and tear. Each time you wash and sterilize a bottle, the material can weaken slightly. Dropping a bottle, even if it doesn't break, can cause tiny fractures that are not visible to the naked eye. These small damages can accumulate over time, making the bottle less safe for your baby. As a general rule, replace your baby's bottles every 4 to 6 months. This timeline helps ensure that the bottles remain in good condition and safe for use. Regular replacement is a proactive way to prevent any potential issues before they arise. Mark your calendar or set a reminder to check and replace the bottles as needed. If bottles retain stains or odors after washing, it's time for a replacement. Stains and persistent odors can indicate that the material has absorbed substances that are difficult to remove. These residues can affect the taste of the milk and may also harbor bacteria. A clean and odor-free bottle is essential for your baby's health and comfort. A strange or off-putting odor is a red flag for bacterial growth or mold. Mold can develop in hard-to-clean areas, such as the bottle's threads or the nipple. If you notice any unusual smells, it's crucial to replace the bottle immediately to prevent any health risks. Regularly inspect all parts of the bottle, including the nipple and cap, for any signs of mold or bacteria. Our goal is to provide the cleanest and safest feeding experience possible. Ensuring that your baby's bottles are in top condition is a key part of this. A clean and well-maintained bottle helps to keep your baby healthy and happy. Always prioritize hygiene and safety when it comes to feeding your little one. When in doubt, replace those bottles. It's better to be cautious and replace a bottle that you suspect might be compromised. The cost of a new bottle is a small price to pay for your baby's health and safety. Don't hesitate to discard any bottle that shows signs of wear or damage. Remember, better safe than sorry when it comes to our little one's health. Taking these precautions ensures that your baby is always using a safe and clean bottle. Your vigilance and care can make a significant difference in your baby's well-being. Keep an eye on those bottles and replace them as needed to provide the best for your child. Let's talk about nipples. These small, often overlooked items play a crucial role in your baby's feeding routine. They need to be replaced regularly, just like bottles. Over time, nipples can wear out, affecting their performance and your baby's comfort. Replace them every 2 to 3 months or sooner if you notice wear and tear. Regular checks can help you stay on top of this. Check for cracks, tears, or holes that can affect milk flow and harbor bacteria. These issues can compromise the safety and efficiency of feeding. If the nipple feels sticky or discolored, it's time for a new one. Discoloration and stickiness are signs of material breakdown. Give it a gentle tug. If it stretches out of shape, replace it. A stretched nipple can lead to inconsistent milk flow. Pay attention to milk flow. Too fast or too slow means it's worn out. Proper milk flow is essential for your baby's feeding efficiency and comfort. A good nipple ensures a smooth feeding experience for your baby. By maintaining and regularly replacing nipples, you contribute to your baby's health and happiness. Let's dive into bottle and nipple maintenance tips. Inspect your baby's bottles and nipples regularly for wear and tear. Hand wash bottles and nipples with warm, soapy water after each use. Use a bottle brush to scrub nooks and crannies. Sterilize by boiling or using a steam sterilizer. Rinse bottles and nipples with cold water immediately after use to prevent residue. A clean bottle means a happy baby and parents. Choosing the right bottles can feel like navigating a maze. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming for new parents. But don't worry, we're here to help you make sense of it all. Let's talk about materials: plastic, glass, and silicone. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Plastic bottles are lightweight and durable, but ensure they're BPA-free. They are also generally more affordable, making them a popular choice among parents. Glass bottles are eco-friendly but heavier and prone to breaking. They are also easier to clean and don't retain odors, which can be a big plus. Silicone bottles are lightweight, durable, and heat-resistant but more expensive. They are also flexible, which can make them easier for babies to hold. Consider the size and shape of the bottle based on your baby's needs. Some babies prefer certain shapes, and the right size can make feeding easier. Smaller bottles for newborns, larger ones as they grow. This ensures that your baby is comfortable and gets the right amount of milk or formula. Standard, angled, and wide base bottles each have their benefits. Angled bottles can help reduce gas, while wide base bottles can be easier for babies to latch onto. Choose the right nipple flow rate for your baby's comfort. Newborns usually need a slower flow, while older babies may prefer a faster flow. Experiment to find what works best for your little one. Every baby is different, and what works for one might not work for another. Happy feeding! We've covered when to replace bottles and nipples, keeping them clean, and choosing the right ones. Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more parenting advice. Until next time, happy feeding!